As the President is handing over the dummy checks, I would also request Honorable Namuganza, Honorable Princess Namuganza, to also prepare herself with her people so that they can hand over the land titles of the following people. They can get closer. Among the few, we have Katushabe Winnie, Natkunda Robina, Namala Sylvia, Chanje Manje Flora, Chokshaba Inid, and Mugume Gordon. You're going to get closer, and the President hands over your land titles with Princess Namuganza. Nani nshaba omubache bari kwenda kuhereza land titles ninga ebipapuro by'ettaka lyanyu. Nani nshaba Katushabe Winnie oyije President akuhe land title yawe, Natkunda Robina, Namala Sylvia, Chayemaje Flora, Chokshaba Init na Mugume Gordon. Nani bishaba ngo mwije hihi kugira ngo President abahereze ebipapuro byanyu by'itaka.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.